Professor Oranburg here, and I'm going to present my paper on collective phronesis. And this is a fancy word for saying practical wisdom. And the concept that I want to offer here is that law is a foundation of wisdom. It's not just... Well, you know, New York's an interesting place to try to film in real time. It's a little noisy back here. And maybe I'll talk about my paper a little bit more after I present it in Lipton Hall. But I'll be talking about the use of law as architecture. I'm thinking about law as creating a structure through which organizations are incentivized to structure themselves in ways that produce wisdom from the people in them. So in talking about this in business terms, this is even maybe more than a macro theory. This is maybe a meta-macro theory, where organizations, the macro-level institution, would organize based on law. That's the meta-macro concept. Because law tells organizations how they're permitted to form and how they're not permitted to form and what they can do and not do, and also might incentivize them to form certain structures. And in doing so, the law is going to can incentivize organizations to form in ways that are good, that are actually morally good, if we understand what that is and what that requires. And from there, from that macro-level foundation, the organization would generate collective wisdom by having groups at the meso-level organized in a manner which is going to produce the wisdom of the crowd. And so we need to turn a little bit to crowd science and how groups behave, avoiding groupthink and trying to promote this type of phronesis, this type of practical wisdom. So with that, I'm going to step back into the conference and check back in as we go along. Hopefully we'll find some insights from this event of scholarship in moral philosophy of business law.